When we first get to the job, someone immediately starts just taking off the doors. We label each door. And we protect that label with a piece of tape, usually inside the hinge. Someone else just starts masking immediately the floors. One person then takes all those doors after they've taken them off. They take it outside, mask off the garage or whatever room they've given us to spray in. They go out there and mask it. They do deglosser first, and they spray it with the deglosser. It takes off oil, grease, softens everything up, and takes off any contaminants. Then they sand it. We go through after those dry, and you sand each one of those lightly everywhere. You go through and make sure everything's perfect, because any flaw will pop up. And then we put the hooks on that hang the doors. We have a spraying booth that we've set up too in the garage that allows it to just be an enclosing booth that you can just hand in and outdoors. And then you spray the enamel urethane. And on the inside, we do the other guy, while he's doing all that, on the inside we're masking off the floors, mask off the countertops, mask off all the walls, and then we build plastic 2, 4, however many plastic walls we need to make an enclosure, so that way none of that spray dust doesn't come out into their living room or their kid, like anywhere else in the house. So it's all enclosed with a zipper. And then the same process is pretty much on the inside. After everything's masked and each little cubby's masked and each opening's masked and everything is covered, we then go through and sand it. And then after that, you spray the enamel urethane also on the top coat. And then usually you have to do it twice just because you can't put it on too heavy. And then you wait for it to dry enough to where you can tear everything down.